Hi, I am Subhashini. In today's business world, data isn't just numbers, it's a story waiting to be told. But raw data alone can feel overwhelming. That's where dashboards come in. They transform complex datasets into clear visual insights that drive smarter, faster decisions. Take the pharmaceutical industry for example. Sales, production, and R&D generate massive amounts of data every day. Dashboards make this data actionable, helping teams track performance, spot trends, and respond quickly. Different datasets need different visuals. Sales data works best with line charts for trends, bar charts for comparisons, and geomaps to track regional performance. Production data benefits from gauge charts for quality, bar charts for output versus targets, and bullet charts for KPIs like cost per unit. And in R&D, bubble charts, scatter plots, or even Gantt timelines reveal progress across clinical trials and milestones. Each chart tells a different part of the story. We will cover more about the different charts in a different video. Do subscribe to the channel for notifications. Smart dashboards bring these elements together. First, KPIs with traffic lights highlight where performance is on track or falling behind. Secondly, trend analytics smooth out peaks and troughs with moving averages. Thirdly, comparisons show actuals versus budgets side by side. And with interactive filters called slicers, users can drill down by region, product, or even drug type. This interactivity turns a static report into a decision-making tool. But not every dashboard is effective. The best dashboard ones share 5 qualities. Firstly, clarity. They have simple, easy to read metrics. Secondly, relevance. Dashboards should show only the KPIs that matter most to business. Thirdly, visual appeal, with clean charts that enhance, not clutter. Fourthly, interactivity with slicers and drill downs for deeper insights. Fifth, actionability with visual cues like arrows or traffic lights to guide decisions. And here's the best part, you can do all of this in Excel. In Excel, you can create pivot tables to summarize sales or production data, add pivot charts to visualize revenue trends or market share, use slicers for instant interactive filtering, and apply conditional formatting for instant, color-coded insights. By combining revenue, cost, and profit into one view, dashboards reveal the bigger picture linking financial outcomes to operational performance. In pharma and beyond, dashboards are more than pretty charts. They deliver speed and clarity, align cross-functional teams, and drive action-oriented decisions. When data is visualized effectively, it's not just information, it's insight. And that insight fuels competitive advantage. Because in business, the story your data tells can shape your future.